We're going to review the top 5 best rear bike baskets, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Nantucket Cisco Pannier. The Nantucket Cisco Pannier can add plenty of cargo capacity and charm to your ride, thanks to its large size, classic design, and fine craftsmanship. It's thickly woven using high-quality, durable rattan, and comes in your color choice of honey or white. Pannier baskets are perfect for trips to the farmer's market, a day at the beach, or a ride around town. Number 2. Sunlite Wire Mesh. Bicycle Basket Sunlite Rear Wire Mesh Racktop Black 15x 10.25x5. At just 5 inches tall, the Sunlite wire mesh sports a low profile and won't push up against your rear end. Its design makes it suitable for carrying small things, and though it weighs less than 3 pounds, it is tough enough to accommodate heavy items. Number 3. Bushwhacker Omaha Panniers. The Bushwhacker Omaha Panniers come as a pair and offer a lot of room for cargo, with each one able to accommodate a full-sized grocery bag. Conveniently, they are collapsible, so they won't add any width to your bike when not in use. 2 grocery panniers attach to the top of the rack with 2 metal hooks and the bottom of the rack or bike frame with a bungee and S-hook. Each pannier will accommodate 1 full-sized grocery bag. Number 4. Basil Weave WP. The Weave WP is a super stylish rear basket made from a synthetic rattan. This means it will laugh in the face of any weather you throw at it, it's super lightweight, and stays good looking for ages. It's also very deep so all your belongings won't bounce out going off a curb or accidentally running over a pothole while on your way to the park. All fixtures are included to securely attach to the rear pannier rack on any bicycle. If you want the pleasing aesthetics found in wicker rattan options, but the durability of plastic, the Basil Weave WP may be a good compromise. Number 5. BV Insulated BA2. Technically a cooler rather than basket, the BV Insulated BA2 is probably one of the best choices for taking snacks or drinks to a picnic or bringing cold and frozen groceries home from the store. It is also just as suitable for transporting hot foods. This bag is a cyclist solution for trips to the market, outdoor sporting events, a ride on a trail, or for a picnic in summer. Can be used for carrying groceries, snacks, food, hot or cold drinks, bike gear, and extra things you may want on your bike trip.